welcome to Talk English 365. This is your channel to practice English every day. In today's video, we will spend around 20 minutes listening to English. Remember, the more you listen, the more your brain becomes comfortable with the language. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy these stories and reflections. The morning routine. Every morning, the city slowly wakes up. The sun rises in the east and spreads light across the sky. People begin their day in different ways. Some people like to go for a walk in the park. They enjoy the fresh air, the sound of birds, and the cool wind on their face. Others stay at home and prepare breakfast for their family. The smell of hot tea, fresh bread, and cooked food fills the kitchen. Children get ready for school. They put on their uniforms, pack their bags, and wait for the school bus. Adults prepare for work. They read the newspaper, check their phones, and make plans for the day. A morning routine gives structure and energy to our lives. When we start our day with discipline and positivity, the whole day feels better. The story of Arjun, the student. Let me tell you about a young student named Arjun. He lived in a small town in India. Arjun was not the smartest student in his class, but he was curious. He wanted to learn. At first, he struggled with English. He could not understand sentences. He was afraid to speak. But instead of giving up, he started listening every day. He listened to radio, to teachers, to English stories, and even English songs. Slowly, his ears became familiar with new words. He started repeating small sentences. One day, his teacher asked him to introduce himself in English. Arjun stood up, nervous, but he said, "My name is Arjun. I am happy to learn English." The class clapped. That moment gave him confidence. Later, he worked hard, passed his exams, and became the first person in his family to attend university. Arjun's story teaches us that listening every day can change your future. The power of honesty. In a village, there was a shopkeeper who always told the truth. People trusted him because he never cheated anyone. One day, a traveler came to his shop. The traveler bought many things but accidentally gave extra money. The shopkeeper noticed the mistake. He called the traveler back and returned the extra money. The traveler was surprised. He said, "You could have kept the money, and I would never know." The shopkeeper replied, "Maybe you would not know, but I would know. And my honesty is more valuable than money." The traveler told everyone about the shopkeeper's honesty. Soon, more people started buying from his shop. His business grew, and his respect also grew. This story shows that honesty may not give instant reward, but in the long run, it always brings success. A walk through the city. Imagine yourself walking through a busy city. The roads are full of cars, buses, and bicycles. You hear the sound of horns, footsteps, and people talking. On the side of the road, vendors sell fruits, vegetables, and hot snacks. The smell of street food fills the air. Some people hurry to offices, while others sit in tea stalls and talk with friends. A young boy runs to school with a bag on his shoulder. An old man feeds pigeons in the park. Life in the city is fast, noisy, but also full of energy. Every person is busy with their own story. If you walk slowly and look around, you will see hundreds of small stories happening at the same time. This teaches us that the world is big and everyone is living their own journey. The importance of time. Time is the most valuable thing in life. You cannot buy time, you cannot stop it, and you cannot get back lost time. A student who wastes time finds it difficult to succeed. A worker who delays work loses opportunities. A person who respects time builds discipline and progress. Think of a farmer. If he does not sow seeds at the right time, he cannot harvest later. In the same way, if we do not use our time wisely, we cannot achieve our goals. That is why people say, time is life. Use your mornings to learn something new, use your evenings to reflect, and always give time to your family. At the end of the day, success belongs to those who respect time. A journey by train. Traveling by train in India is a special experience. Imagine you are sitting near the window. The train slowly leaves the station. You see people waving goodbye on the platform. As the train moves faster, you see green fields, small houses, and children playing near the tracks. Vendors walk through the compartments, selling tea, snacks, and water. Families sit together, sharing food and stories. Strangers become friends during the journey. Some passengers read books, others look out of the window silently. The train passes through tunnels, bridges, and stations. Every stop shows a new town, a new culture, and new people. A train journey reminds us that life is also a journey. Sometimes it is slow, sometimes fast, but always moving forward. Learning from nature. Nature is the best teacher. The trees teach us patience. They grow slowly but steadily, and they provide shade, fruits, and oxygen to all. The river teaches us movement. It flows continuously, crossing rocks and mountains, but never stops. The sun teaches us consistency. It rises every morning and sets every evening without fail. Birds teach us freedom. They fly high in the sky and remind us to dream. If we spend time in nature, we feel calm and peaceful. In today's busy world, people often forget to look at the beauty around them. But even a short walk in the park can refresh the mind and give us energy. The story of Sudha Murthy. Let me share an inspiring true story. Sudha Murthy, the famous author and philanthropist, was once the only girl in her